Welcome back to the channel where passion for luxury and engineering meets the thrill of the open road. Here we dive deep into the most exclusive, the most innovative, and sometimes the most jaw-dropping creations on wheels. If you love the blend of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Today, we are exploring something that redefines what a road trip can be. Imagine the craftsmanship of a Rolls-Royce, the opulence of a five-star hotel suite, and the freedom of a motorhome, all seamlessly combined into one stunning masterpiece. Yes, this is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. The very concept sounds like a fantasy after all. Rolls-Royce is synonymous with handcrafted automotive perfection, not recreational vehicles. But in 2026, the brand decided to take luxury travel to the next dimension. This is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of living without compromise. Every inch has been designed for people who want the pinnacle of comfort and style. No matter where the road takes them, the exterior is an art form in itself. The front end retains the iconic Pantheon grille, standing tall and proud, flanked by ultra-slim laser headlights that create a signature gaze on the road. The spirit of ecstasy glides ahead, illuminated subtly at night. The bodywork is a flawless combination of sculpted aluminum panels and carbon fiber reinforcements, giving both strength and elegance. The two-tone paint schemes are completely customizable, with finishes that shimmer differently under daylight and moonlight thanks to multi-layer pearl technology. The size is imposing yet graceful. This motorhome stretches over 40 feet, but its proportions are so masterfully designed that it never feels bulky. Flush panels hide the expandable sections, which, at the touch of a button, extend to reveal a spacious lounge and private sleeping quarters. Even the side mirrors are replaced by crystal-clear camera pods, streaming live feeds to old displays inside for an uninterrupted view of your surroundings. Step inside, and you're immediately transported to a different world. Rolls-Royce has poured its heritage of luxury into every surface. The floor is hand-laid parquet inlaid with mother-of-pearl details. The walls are finished in rare woods sourced sustainably from around the globe, each panel polished to a mirror-like sheen. Seating is upholstered in the finest leather, hand-stitched in patterns inspired by British tailoring, with a softness and aroma that makes every moment feel indulgent. The living area is an open space concept, where the front lounge can swivel and transform into a dining area for up to 6 guests. The table itself is an electrochromic glass surface, which can be transparent, frosted, or display digital art curated from Rolls-Royce's exclusive collection. Above, a starlight ceiling covers the entire interior, with thousands of fiber optic points creating a customizable night sky, whether you want the Milky Way, a summer constellation, or even the sky on the night of your wedding. In terms of technology, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a masterpiece of intelligent integration. The entire vehicle is controlled through the Rolls-Royce Bespoke Intelligence System, an AI-driven hub that responds to natural speech commands. With a single request, you can adjust climate settings, queue up a curated playlist, set the mood lighting, or even request the motorhome to find the perfect scenic parking spot nearby. The kitchen is no afterthought. It's equipped with precision. Induction cooktops, a hidden refrigerated wine cabinet, smart ovens, and a countertop made of solid crystal quartz that illuminates softly for evening cooking. All appliances are silent running to maintain the tranquil environment inside. Sleeping arrangements are equally regal. The master suite features a king-size bed with a memory gel mattress developed exclusively for Rolls-Royce. The headboard is crafted from a single sheet of hand-embroidered silk, and the view from the panoramic side window can be electronically tinted for privacy or left clear for an uninterrupted gaze at nature. Even the linens are from a bespoke collection woven in Italy, designed to regulate temperature naturally. The bathroom is more akin to a luxury spa. You have a rainfall shower with gold-infused water nozzles, a heated stone floor, and a vanity crafted from a single piece of Carrara marble. Rolls-Royce has even integrated aromatherapy into the ventilation system, offering scents like English rose, sandalwood, and ocean breeze at the touch of a button. Powering this extraordinary creation is a hybrid electric drivetrain. At its heart is a Whisper Quiet V12 paired with advanced electric motors, producing an effortless 1,000 horsepower. This ensures that despite its size, the motorhome glides along highways and mountain roads with complete serenity. The adaptive suspension, tuned to Rolls-Royce's legendary Magic Carpet Ride standard, keeps every journey smooth, no matter the terrain. And for those who love sustainability without sacrificing luxury, the onboard solar array on the roof supplements battery power for essentials when parked. Safety and autonomy are at the forefront. The motorhome features Rolls-Royce's latest Level 4 autonomous driving system, meaning it can handle the majority of driving duties while you relax and enjoy the journey. A full 360-degree radar and lidar network ensures collision avoidance, while the navigation system can suggest routes based on weather, scenic beauty, or even restaurant recommendations along the way. Owning a 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just about having the most luxurious RV on the planet, it's about creating experiences. Whether it's waking up in the Swiss Alps, enjoying a private dinner on the coast of Amalfi, or parking under the northern lights in complete comfort, this motorhome allows you to live the dream without compromise. Production numbers are extremely limited, as each one is built to the exact specifications of its owner. The customization options are almost infinite, from rare materials to personalized monograms, bespoke furniture layouts, and even curated art collections embedded into the interior design. The price? While Rolls-Royce hasn't officially disclosed a starting figure, estimates suggest well over $3 million for a fully appointed model. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's an extension of your lifestyle, a mobile sanctuary, and a rolling piece of art. For those who can afford it, it's a chance to take the world's finest craftsmanship and comfort anywhere the road can lead. And for the rest of us, it's a glimpse into what happens when limitless creativity meets limitless luxury. So, whether you see it as an engineering marvel, a dream home on wheels, or the ultimate status symbol, one thing is certain: the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is rewriting the rules of travel and doing it with unmatched elegance.